Hey, so you want to know how to set up your Aweber autoresponder on your website to be able to make money online with any opportunity? Well, you came to the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to use Aweber, very short, and how to connect it to your page builder so that way you could start, generating leads with sales funnels from different, traffic sources online. You'll be able to retain those leads, those people that want to know more about whatever you have to offer, right? So when you first log in, you're going to see your lead count right here. You're going to see the people that unsubscribe for the month. You're going to see your number of leads for the past 30 days and everything like that. So this is my lead flow right here. And then in here, you could actually go to the subscribers and you could see your subscribers. You could see who's engaged and who's not. They're all by category right there. And then is what you want to do is you want to create your list. So your list is up here, and you go to create new list, and you just give it a name, and then after you do that, you want to go to a manage list, and then when you go to manage list, is what you want to do from there is you want to go to your list. So let's say you're going to this list, for example, that you just created, and you want to go to confirm message, and then you want to scroll down right here, and you want to make sure these are checked off because this is confirmed opt-in. You don't want the confirmed opt-in on because whenever leads have to confirm their opt-in, that means they get an email asking if they want to be on the list, which a lot of people don't confirm their opt-in, so you'll lose out on a lot of traffic. You want them to automatically go to your list when they put their email in from your capture page builder. Now, that's how you get the most leads possible, and you want to set this up, and you want to have your list right here, so you know exactly what list it's going to. Now, for this portion of it, here's the capture page builder that I use, and it's very simple to use. You could edit, whatever you need to edit, using this builder, and then you go in here and you click in here and you just, click on here like that, and then you can actually add the list that you want it to go to. So you select the list right here that you would want it to go to, and then it's connected that easily. And the cool thing about this is that I could actually manage your funnels. Like I manage people's funnels do here like this, and this is what allows them to actually get results. So if you're first starting and learning how to actually build a business online, then this is going to be perfect for you because I'm going to be able to help you to get traffic. And I don't know if you've seen my traffic website, profitbuilderstraffic.com, but I actually sell, I sell, website traffic to the capture page, but I first set people up so they could receive as high as an 88% opt-in rate. That's the record so far. Anywhere from a 50% to an 88% opt-in rate, which is phenomenal. I don't know anybody that's doing that high of an opt-in rate in the industry right now, and they're getting sales and reviews. If you come over to the the solo ads testimonial group on Facebook, you will see my testimonials in that group. And it's important to know how to generate traffic so that way you could build a business online, and this is going to allow you to do that. And this builder is only $25 a month, and you get a $20 a month residual income for anybody who uses these tools. And you could build out whatever you want. You could build out your own membership site. You could build out your own affiliate product. You could build out your own website. You could make your own products, right? You know, as if you go to another providers such as ClickFunnels, you're paying $150 a month or more just to have this, and you're not getting the training that you would get with this or anything like that. Like you get a lot of training with this, so you're going to learn all about funnel building, and you're going to learn how to actually build your business online the right way. I'm going to take you into there right now so you can actually see the stuff that you're going to learn when you so here's the stuff you're going to learn when you actually get started. I'm going to take you into there so you can actually see what it is and what you actually get for that $25 per month, right? Because it's really amazing as far as well, I didn't want that. So here I'm gonna take you into there now. Okay, so here's what you get for the funnel builder, right? The $25 funnel builder. You're gonna learn how to actually set up your business to um, generate leads and build any business in 3 simple steps. You're going to be able to join the community. Then you're going to learn all about how to set up your autoresponder with your domain name, which is important so that way it works. And then you're going to be able to actually learn how to create custom pages. You're going to learn how to optimize for mobile. You're going to learn how to do custom tracking pixels so you know exactly what your numbers are. You're going to know how to do exit pops so when people try to leave your funnel, they'll get a pop-up message saying to wait. You're going to learn how to do different things like track the leads within the builder, so you'll know where every single lead comes from on a lead level. It'll be tracked within your autoresponder, so it'll be tracked within Aweber. You're going to learn how to do upsells and downsells within your funnel. So basically, if people come to a page like this, they watch the video that you see in front of you, right? Then they can click on the button below. The button below might have them buy, and then if they buy, they go to an upsell, which is another offer, which offers additional coaching or something like that, and then they get additional commission for that. And that's how that normally works. You're gonna learn how to create um, your own products. You're gonna learn things about email and split testing your pages as well. Um, and so here's where you learn how to sell your own products and how to create a membership site, which are very, very key things when you have a business. So this $25 builder does everything. You don't need something like ClickFunnels. That's just a waste of money, honestly. And you won't get as much benefit from that as you would this, right? So this will allow you to build any business online and also get the training that you need so you're not left behind, right? So that's pretty much how it works. Make sure that you click on the links below this video. I have a free Facebook group that you could get into, and it's going to show you different strategies on marketing and how we can connect. And make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. If you want to learn more about Aweber and how to use your tools effectively to be able to make money with email marketing, that's what this channel does as well. So make sure you subscribe, and make sure you click on the link below this video to get started with me, and so that way I could help you to be able to get results and manage your funnels like the ones that you see right here, and how I manage people's funnels. So make sure you click on that link below this video and get started, and I'll get you set up and we'll get ready to go, so you'll be able to have support and you won't never get lost. All right, I hope you like this video, and I'll talk to you soon.